Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open up Discord in your web browser on your mobile phone. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, if you're like me and having a problem to open up Discord in your web browser on your mobile phone, I'll just quickly demonstrate. So I've gone to Google, typed in Discord, and now I've gone to head over to Discord here. And then now I'm on the main page of Discord in web version. And if I scroll down, it says open Discord in your browser. So you'd think Discord will open up in this web browser, but when I click into it, it takes me to my app, which I don't want that to happen. So there's a workaround for this. So the first thing you need to do is delete Discord from your mobile device. So click and hold and uninstall it. And now click on OK. And now if I head back to the web version now, and click on open Discord in your browser, this will go ahead and open up Discord in my browser on my mobile phone. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching.